Alright, welcome everybody. Gonna do a little game dev stream today. We're working on Project Moonbun. Specifically setting up the UI. Gonna do a little bit of setting up some tweening, maybe some UI animations. Getting this a little more presentable. Alright, what we're currently working on here is these side panel buttons. You hover over them, they slide out. You exit the hover, they slide back in. And then what I want to do is if you actually click on them, we'll do some sort of a highlights outline around the button, just to make it a little more visually clear that you're on that tab. Soulless Ghost says small PP. Thank you, Soulless Ghost. Always appreciated. How are you doing, Soulless? How's your weekend going? Soulless says drunk and depressed. Oh, damn. Sorry to hear that, Soulless. I don't think it's a good idea to drink while you're depressed. That might lead to a bad combination. But it is a Saturday night. So we got Sunday. Go out and do something Sunday. Go out and take a jog. Get some sun. Drinking more, I don't know about that. I don't know about that, buddy. Alright, so if we have... What I want to do here is... We click on... Oh, wait, hold on. Right now we're just setting up buttons. So we're going to do kvp.key.onClick.addListener. We call this enable panel. So it says, take a jog, get some sun. I work on a roof and outdoors. Yeah, but it's not, the same. I mean, when I was a teenager, I worked at a tire shop. Changing tires in like 90-degree weather. It's not the same as just like going out for like a walk or a jog, Just to clear your mind. But I get it. You're tired. That's fair. Last thing you want to do is more exercise. Personally, in my opinion, though, just like going out and getting sun usually kind of helps my mental state. Do that with my dogs, especially like if I'm like on my computer for a long time. I'll take a little break. I'll take a walk with my dogs. Get clear-headed. Okay, so here we have enable panel. I think we're actually going to need to pass in the list of game objects. Panel objects. I click on a tab here, and it's supposed to A, turn on the panel associated with this tab, and B, turn off all the other panels that are not associated with that tab. So it says, I rode a bike and almost ran over a blue racer. Proceeded to jump off my bike, chased down and caught said blue racer, and then booped it and released. Blue racer? What is a blue racer? Blue racer. Oh, it's a snake. Oh, damn. Are these poisonous? I'm assuming not if you just went up to it and booped it on the nose. Non-venomous snake, yeah. A nope rope. No, I live here in Texas. I don't think I've seen snakes. Probably more like around the lakes, but I haven't run into one yet. I used to live in Vegas. I lived like right on the edge of the city, so like across like my yard was just like straight up desert, and we just got a couple scorpions roaming around here and there. So it says lurking, gonna chat with this random streamer. Take it easy, man. Appreciate you stopping by. Hope you feel better. Don't get too drunk. Don't misbehave. Okay, so we need to pass in the panel objects. Do we need... How about we do this? Void disable all panels. Just for each after for each. For each of our KP in the dictionary, we say kvp.key. Oh no, hold up. We say, oh, we gotta do another one. Let's do important. 0 I is less than kvp dot value dot count I plus plus. And we say kvp dot value I dot game object dot set active false. Okay, so when we click enable panel, we're gonna disable all of them first, and then we're gonna enable correct one. I don't think I need the reference to the button. I think I just need this. So we can just say, or actually, maybe we won't even need to pass in the whole game object list. Maybe just the key. Actually, that might be a better idea. The button here being the key. Tab button. Which means here we could do kvp.key. Gonna do a lambda expression. Wait, hold on. What am I doing? No. I'm gonna do a delegate. With the key. And this, and then this. This. And this. Wait, hold on, I'm lost. There's too many parentheses. There we go. I think we get rid of this. Okay, there we go. All right, so we have on start, we go through all of the buttons on the dictionary. We set the listener on the click. We pass the button. Disable all the panels, and then we enable the correct one. So we say app dictionary.try get value of the tab button out panel objects. Oh, I have to. Okay, I have to do this. Oops. I guess we should put a check here. We say panel objects. Am I missing something? For int I, oops, int I is equal to 0, I is less than panel objects dot count I plus plus. Panel objects dot or I dot game object dot set active true. So we're only setting, we're disabling all of them, and then we're only setting the appropriate one back on. So that should be it for that. That's not too bad. We'll go back over here. Side tabs. We're gonna add 2 of them. Have the hat, which we can't add because it's this one. We have the outfit. Which, by the way, I am using just a wrapper here of the dictionary serializable entry, which I make into a list because I cannot figure out an easier way to serialize a dictionary for the Unity Inspector. So it's kind of a weird workaround. I have to make a list first, and then on the awake, I basically set up the dictionary here from the list into a dictionary, which is okay in this case, but if I wanted to do something with like the constructor itself, it doesn't really work because I don't have like a constructor method. Like I try to do this with a scriptable object, but since there's no like awake or start on the scriptable object, it's kind of, I don't know how to do it. But in any case, this should work. Now we just need to have the appropriate things set up here. If we want to look at what it's supposed to look like. Yeah. It was actually not this one. Is it? No. Okay, we have clothes. And we have something else. Oh, here we go. Okay, so essentially it's the same thing, a little bit different on the left side here with the buttons. I'll really just, actually, no, I think that should be the same. We're just changing this grid view here and also the pagination. That should be okay. So all we need to do is just hook up the correct view to show. If we're in the hats tab, we need to show the hat grid. And if we are on the outfit tab, we need to show the outfit grid. So shouldn't be too bad. Honestly, we might just do both of these here. So the hat tab, I think I could just put this whole thing in there. There. Hat panel here. Outfit panel here. And those things are already set down there, so it should be fine. And we're gonna default to opening with the hats, which I feel like, well, I mean, I guess it makes sense. Hats, top of the head, so it comes on first, then the outfit, then the shoes. Okay, I guess that kind of works. We could take that off. We don't need that. Sola says, I was just mansplained PvP and PvE by that random streamer. Are you watching Ark? Are they ones that complain about like PvP is ruining the game or whatever? Okay. Let's try this out real quick. I don't know if I have the hat set up yet, so you might not see anything pop up. Okay, this works nicely. Might need to make this a little faster. Oh no, we have an error. What's the error? Not set to the instance of an object. Oh, I'm dumb. I forgot to initialize them. There we go. Okay, that should work now. Oh, he was one of those people that says PP ruins it. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of like the that whole like psychological warfare of like, is he friendly or not? Is kind of like the main aspect of that game. even doing like just like straight up PvE and PvP lobbies, I don't know. I just feel like it would split up the user base too much. This works nicely, nice and smooth. So we're in the outfits here. Okay, so this is not working. Why is this not working? Do we have any errors? No. We should be getting some sort of a call here. So wake then start. We add the listener here. I don't even think that's happening. Interesting. Why? Oh, it is happening. I should probably rename that. Oh, so it says not he, she. Oh, okay. Mansplained. Mansplained by a woman. Your intelligence insults me. What do you mean? My intelligence? About what? Okay, so we have the tab button here. Okay, we are finding the tab. Why are they still on? Hold on. What's going on here? That's the hat panel. Oh, it is working. But it's showing the same thing. Why is it showing the same thing? Is it the same thing? Yeah, it is. Okay. Okay, that's good. Oh, it's working, but we have the outfits and the hats mapped to each other. Your smarticles make me stupicles angry. No, it's not. I mean, pretty simple stuff. I mean, it's just because I use it. You know, it's just my thing that I use. I'm sure if I was like at your place setting up roops, I wouldn't know anything about roops. So we just know different things. Okay, so this is working, but the outfits are mapped to the hats. They're the same thing. It should not be happening. Let's see. Loading panel, user, at UI button prefab. So that means that this is the hat UI button. Why is this not? You guys have this set up the wrong way. Ah, here it is. We're supposed to be doing the hat image. There we go. Solas says, how long have you been working on this? We have been working on this, I want to say at the start of this year, 2026. We have two projects going on right now. We have this one and then our main project. So we kind of go back and forth between the main project and this project. But this project is supposed to take, you know, one year, 1.5 years tops. Because there's only supposed, this is just supposed to be a very small side project. So hopefully we can keep on that timeline because I don't want to spend too much time on this. This is just supposed to be a side project that we can kind of push out, just so our main project doesn't take too long. Okay, I think that was it. I think that might have been the only thing that we needed. Outfit name, type, execute hit piece change. Okay, here we go. Beautiful. Oh, also gotta fix the bunny. The bunny's supposed to be showing up on the left there. I gotta fix that. So it says lurking Rocket League time. All right, man. Have fun on Rocket League. It's a very popular game that I have never played. Looks fun. Oh, I know why this is happening. It's already set. We need to fix that anyways, but we need to turn this off basically. Because the call is when you turn the UI on, so you need to have it off at the beginning. You'd be good at it? I don't know. I don't know. The older I get, the worse I get at multiplayer games. I just don't have it in me anymore. There's only a few I'm good at anymore, one of them being Super Smash Bros. And even then, I'm probably not that good at it anymore. Alright, nice. Everything's mapped here. Actually, I just thought of something. We should have a little widget here, a little rotating widget, so I can rotate the bunny. Yeah, that's a good idea. Little rotating widget right here. Okay, but this is working nicely. Pagination we'll work on later. The grid stuff here. You might need to make this bigger. No, that's okay, I guess. It'd be nice to also have a little sparkle particle effect when you click on the button. That'll be for later though. Okay, so we have that. Now let's do... I need to keep the tabs opened when I click on it. So... I need to have like a on and off state. Might be a little tricky. Can I even do it from here? think it would have to be from here, because I need to check. Yeah, each button needs to have like its own on and off. Okay, so let's do. I guess we need to do another dictionary then. With a Boolean? Am I overcomplicating this? I think I need this. Call it buttons, locked state. Here we do kvp dot. Actually, not here, here. So on awake, I guess I need to do this twice. Right, so I do this one. We just do false. And here we say, oh, we need to have a starting one too. I think about this for a second. To have a starting one, the starting one being the hat. Yeah, well, I guess, oh, you know what? I'll just do this. Easy. Starting tab. Sorry. Button. Starting tab. Yeah. Actually, you might as well just call this on start. So both of these views should be off by default. Okay. And we say buttons lock state. Oh, but it's not even from here. That's not good. Hmm. Okay, because the tween is gonna mess this up. It's basically on the slide back. When I exit the hover, I'm calling this slide back. But if the tab is currently selected, I don't want this slide back to happen. Now I can put all the functionality in here, right? Because I'm doing all the checks here for the on pointer enter, on pointer exit, on click. But the thing is, if I'm on the hat tab and then I click on, I don't know, the outfit tab, I need the hat tab to essentially go back, slide back in. And I can only do that if I have a reference to it from the outside. In this case, the handler. So actually, we could still do this here. We could leave the lock state in here. Oh, but at that point, it kind of depends on what's going to get called first. That might be a little strange. I don't know what's going to get called first at that point. That might give us problems. Okay, let's do this. Let's do bool is selected. And wait, why don't we just control everything from the handler? That could be better. I think we could just control everything from the handler. We already have the references to the buttons. That could work. Think about this. Starting to think we should probably just do all the functionality on the outside. Because I kind of need the handler to just drive everything. Because the handler has all the references to every other button. And it doesn't need to do that, but I guess I could have like click states here, selected states. So this would probably, we don't need this. Well, this should be fine. That doesn't change anything. Slide out and slide back. Okay, I guess we could do public void. Selected. Bool is selected. You can say is selected equal to is selected. Okay. Which would still be driven by the handler at this point. And then we can say void on selected. And we could probably just do the same things here. Oh, actually, hold on. No, I think what we could do is we could just say on pointer exit. Oh, we need so many more states though. Okay, I mean, we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But if we're selected, we just return for now. Oh, but this is not this. This is going to be different. If we have something selected. Oh, actually, hold on. No, we could just do this. Yeah, we'll do this. We'll just leave it like this. No, we don't do that. We do one of these. Slide out, or oh, we could do all this. Actually, what am I talking about? We could do all this. This is fine. That's exactly why I set it up like this. Pointer X is the one that's going to be like that. And then we have the The if is selected, we say on selected. Actually, first let's do this. Do a temp. Actually, no, we don't need to do that. We just do it from here. The if is selected does not equal is selected. And we say if selected, whoops, well, if is selected, then on selected, else then this would be please. Void on unselect. And we do that. Okay. That looks good. Actually, what we could do is just do this. If is selected is equal to is selected, just return. I think I need to do anything at that point. No, oh, hold on, and then we do this instead. So on selected, we do either one of these. On unselect, we do these. Okay, so that kind of works out. Disable panels, I guess we gotta do it here. But the thing is, we need a reference now. Yeah, we need a reference to it. Okay, fine. Fine. We'll say kvp dot key dot get game object between button dot selected false. And we'll just do the same thing here. Tab button dot oops. Selected true. I don't know. I don't think this is a good way to go about it, but definitely don't want these get components, but we'll just leave them there for now. Scene loader. Oh wait, hold on. Gotta turn that off. Okay. So let's try it out. See where we're at. Okay. Value cannot be known. That worked, but what is this error that we got? Oh, I see. The starting one. Okay, that's fine. Okay, well that works actually, so that's good. Keep it tabbed. I have these two set up for now, so that's fine. All right, outside. Oh, outfit side tabs. Okay. That's good. Starting tab is the hat. Which now that I think about it, hold on, how did this work? Because when I open this up, there shouldn't be anything. Both of these are turned off. How did we start with the hat? That don't make no sense. Oh, we didn't start with anything. Okay, I see. Good. That is correct. That is what should be happening. All right. So now I go to clothing. Oh no, we go to the hat. No, this one. We drag that one in here. Go. Anything else? I guess we could do the top one over here as well. So this is also going to need this. Although we kind of had this already though, now that I think about it. That's being controlled by this parent menu. Make me think we should probably not be doing that here. Let's see. If I had these moved out, we have tab buttons and we have tab panels. Are we using those for anything? Oh, probably not. Nope. Adding tabs selected, but there's nothing on here. We have a lot of repeated code. How are you turning on then? Oh, you're doing this through here. I see. Okay, let's get rid of this. Delete, delete. That we're not using anymore. Now we're gonna use the tabs layout. Oh no. Did I just add this? Not here. Should probably just be called tabs handler. Okay. Yeah, but we don't have a starting tab. Guess we can actually, if starting tab does not equal null. Okay. So we have this here. We're adding this. And for the values, I guess they all turn on this one. You will also turn on the outfit side tabs. And you will turn on the clothing panel. Okay. Yo, Copper! Copper says 20 YouTube subs. Oh, nice! I didn't even see. Hell yeah, dude. 20 subs. Thank you. Appreciate it. I'm catching up to you, Copper. Slowly but surely, I'm catching up to you. How's your weekend going, Copper? Door dashing today? I'm just working on my Moon Bunny game here. Setting up the UI. I got the UI from the artist. Looking very clean. He did an amazing job. So I'm just setting that up on the actual game side. Copper says that number is going to be 50 before you know it. Oh, hell yeah. Let's hope so, man. Let's hope so. Gotta grind them out. Okay, so then we have to do the same thing for the build. That one's finished. Then we go here. Add the build. Add this one again. That we might need to change. I don't think that's gonna work out. It's slightly different behavior on that end. The Copper says, I didn't have time, unfortunately. Visited family for Father's Day. Nice. And my RL buddy had a B-Day party, so I just got home. Oh, nice. That was a good, productive weekend. What did you guys do at the Father's Day and at the party? Went to a restaurant, somewhere fancy. Okay, that works. These get turned on and off. There's a tint to this, which I don't like. I gotta take that off. It's working nicely. If I go from here to here, yes, this saves my state. Very good. Right, this is coming together. This is coming together. My day, pretty chill. Mostly just stayed at home. Went to the dog park in the morning. Then I went to the store, get some groceries, and then I just started streaming. I woke up very late. I woke up like at 12 in the afternoon. Barbara says we had sandwiches and played board games. Nice. And at the party, my buddy slow cooked jerk chicken thighs. Ooh, that sounds good. Yeah, for dinner I made some well, I had really a lunch, but it was eggs and bacon for lunch. And then I had chicken and rice, so pretty boring, but it's all good. 12 is late? Yeah, I know. I was streaming Sifu late, trying to do that no death run challenge. Failed again. I'm gonna have to keep coming back at it, but I am getting better. I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. Okay, so we have that set up. I'm gonna try and go for a shader now. I need to make that outline shader. Let's see. Go. I haven't made shaders in a while. This is gonna be painful. Guessing it would be an unlit shader, right? All this, wait, hold on. Is this from the graph? No, it's not a graph. Hold on. You one of those fitness freaks? No, not really. I mean, I'll go to the gym like for an hour tops every other day, but I mostly just do it because I'm like sitting on my computer for like really long. I kind of just need to, you know, keep my cardio in check, or else I'm gonna get fat. So I'll go to the gym for like an hour, and then like I walk my dogs. I take it to the dog park, so I kind of get my cardio in there as well. How do I make a shader? Oh, here it is. I'm blind. Unlit, sprites. Is it a sprite? I'll go with unlit first. Call it UI outline. Well, UI outline shader graph. Did I spell that? Okay, good. Okay, let's check this out. Yeah, I don't think I need, definitely don't need lighting. don't know what the difference is between that and the Sprite one. Upper say that's good that you take care of yourself. Yeah, I try. Otherwise, you know, get like I'm too like sitting down for like a long period of time, just in front of my PC, either just regular work or playing video games. So gotta get up and move. Okay. We'll probably need to sample the text. So sample texture 2D. And we'll need a texture. All this UI. Image texture. I don't even know. Default value, where is the tab? The outfit tab. Oh, here we go. Yeah, let's do this one. Preview it. Can I preview it? Okay, well, we gotta sample it, so let's do that. And then, oh, I need to preview it by going here, right? RGB, bam. Might also need the alpha. Change the preview. Oh, here we go, quad. Don't I need alpha? What clipping? No, I just need alpha. Oh, transparent. There we go. Unlit. My god, I don't remember any of this. I don't need alpha clipping. I don't need to cast shadows. Universal, yeah, that's what I need. Okay. Anything that I can use here? Bee tree? No, I don't think that's it. Maybe like a UV? And then we just take the alpha in the UV, but then I need the edges. How do I get the edges? I have to look this up. Too dumb for this right now. Okay. I think that's usually how you do it. And we gotta do something with the alpha here. There's like something regarding. No, you know what? Let's just look it up. I can't right now. I gotta look this up. Okay, so we need to add a vector 2. And we'll call this outline thickness. Here. So we'll do this plus this. Right, so we're adding a thickness over it. Then so we'll need a starting value here. Can I? Oh, I can't. Like 1, 1. Okay. Okay, so we need to make 4 offsets. We need to add the UV, the outline thickness. The UV. Wait, hold on. So we do like this. Oh. Oh my god, okay, okay. Why don't I just use a scalar for this? Would that be easier? Can I just do like outline scale? Oh, it does it for all of them, I see. Okay, well, I guess we'll definitely need the color. I'm so confused. No idea. Copper says, I'm heading off to bed. Congrats on 20 YouTube subs. Thank you. Appreciate it. Believe in you, dude. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thank you so much, Copper. Thank you. You have a good weekend as well. And we'll catch up next week. Play some ER. Some Elden Ring. Okay, let's see here. Well, that's weird. I don't know why that message appeared 4 times. The chat is bugging. Oh, well, I don't have that. Okay, so I guess we could just ignore that part for now. This means the UV right and UV left, UV up, UV down. So we need like 4 different ones. I guess instead we could do Vector 2 up. 2 down. There's gotta be an easier way to do this, but whatever. 2 left. Vector 2 right. That'll be 1 here. -1. -1. And 1. None of these will be shown in the inspector. Oh. So I think what it wants me to do is we have right multiplied by outline scalar. And then we add that to UV. Basically making 4 of these. So next one, multiply. Next one. Multiply. Finally this. Okay. And apparently each one has an addition for this. Add that. 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 All right. We have those there. Then we combine them. Shoot, I should have done. Oh my god, we made a mess here. Okay, well this is... okay. Let's see this. Oh. Left. That one. That's that one. Okay. Do a max. So this and this. Again, a max of this and this. Okay. That looks promising, I guess. We combine these two. And it says neighbor max. What does that mean? Oh, okay. A little odd how we did that, but fine. Now sample the center pixel. Okay, so we do this, this. Is center alpha. Subtract the neighbor's max. With the center alpha. Ah, okay, that's looking correct. And we have an outline mask. Interesting. Wait, so then would we just do like this plus this? Ah. That gives us this weird like hint. Why? Why is it giving me this tint? Wonder if it's because we have to do alpha of this. That's with alpha. That's not with the alpha. Okay, well, we'll see. Wait, is there a... Okay. Then we do saturate. Not entirely sure what that's supposed to be doing. I guess it full... nope, it didn't. I don't know what that did. Okay, so then we have this. Distance with the click position? Point 5, point 5, okay. I have the reveal radius, okay. Which is what? Float, okay. We have this. Move step. Distant. How am I using smooth step here? Softness. Distance. The distance out of that. Oh, no, we do. There we go. Multiply this with outline mask, which was from saturate. All right. And then we have this multiplied by outline color. Default of yellow. Okay, and now we do the sample texture, I think. Finally. Sample the texture. With UV, I'm guessing. Take the color. Add it with the well, kinda. Kinda just painted the whole thing though. Okay, well, we went wrong somewhere. Let's see. What did we do wrong? Actually, first of all, let me just check how close we are to this. Great. Material. UI outline. Color. Why are these showing up? Oh, okay. For all of them. That. All right, so to give this a outline. Brute Force HDRP. What the hell does that mean? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, well, it didn't give me an outline. Did we do wrong? So did we do wrong? Yeah, let's go back in here. Got these. Scalars here, which we did from there. We have 4 of. Sample the center pixel. Have UV this. That. I guess I don't need this. Have the neighbors subtracted with center alpha. The outline mask. And then we saturate. Why we saturate? Some sort of glow. Okay, so then we do the UV. Distance of 0.5, 0.5. Is any difference, but sure. The texture has to be here. We get that correctly. I feel like something here is like messing up. Real radius. Real radius, a smooth step distance. Real radius plus the softness. The add that. Something's happening over here. We're just gonna look at a video. This is getting annoying. That's not gonna work. What? Okay, well, let's just redo all of this. It's gonna work. Wait. kind of works. It's not. Okay, I see it. Scale ain't doing much though. I think we're just gonna have to use the offset. I can't figure this out. Let's start over again. Wait, really? I can't just do this? Oh, I see. I see, I see. Why would we do that? Why not just change the scale? Any sense? Oh, I see. I can still do this. Okay, I guess that works. Ugh. Why is this blue? What? It's an outline. What's going on there though? No idea what's going on there. Let me redo this. Hold on. What's going on here? It's just not the right type of shader? Definitely not that one. I don't even know. Bright unlit shader. The one I use though. Same one. I need the physics though. I have no idea. I don't understand. Wait a minute, what? Hold up. Hold on a second. Oh my god. Oh my god, there's a freaking outline component. Oh. Are you kidding me? It looks like it does the exact same thing we were doing. It just does a tiling and offset. Interesting though, because this just duplicates it. I want this. Why would it give me the entire... I just... Not exactly an outline. Yeah, no, I don't want this. This is ridiculous. Why is that even an option? Getting really close to just adding a freaking asset in the Unity store. How is this not possible? Well, that looks correct. We use it from here though. Well, that kind of works. But still being cut off by this. Do I just need to add padding? Is that the problem? I don't even know what's going on here. I'm so lost. I think I just need to add padding. Oh. Oh my god, why is this such a pain? Oh, that doesn't work. Okay, so if this is, I have made such an absolute mess out of this. I don't even know what's going on anymore. I thought this was supposed to work. Wait, hold on. It's cutting all the... Wait, hold on. What if we add it here? Oh, it just does the opposite? Outline scale. Okay, let's see. That works. That works. Look at all this nonsense. Okay. Here we got the outline. Did we be... Is it this? And then we just increase the scale? What does this mean? What does this mean? We're so close. I see we have the outline here. And we're adding it here. What do we do this? Wait. No, this is fine. Can we do this alpha plus this alpha? Does this make sense? Oh shit! Shit! Did we just figure it out? Did we just figure this out? There we go. The fuck? Why is this like this? Oh man. You know what? I'm almost tempted to just render it twice. 2 renders, 1 silhouette and 1 like this. This doesn't even look good. This looks awful. It's this one. This has to be main text or something like that. Yeah, that's the problem. We're getting cut off by the thing. Also, aren't we missing like the other parts of this? Oh, because we didn't put them here. Okay. Sure. Do subtract. Minus this. Adding these does not work. Oh, it does. Did I just mess up somewhere? Here we go. I don't know if this is correct. This looks a little off to me. Just give me that blue tint there. There you go. Okay, so then I think the only problem is that we don't have enough space. That's a thing? This is already full rect. That doesn't matter. Is that really the problem? We just don't have enough space? I think that might be it. It's just I don't have enough space. Duplicating the icon is still an option, I guess. Well, Maskable doesn't change anything. Can I use a raw image? God, yes. Is that gonna change anything? No, I don't think so. Yeah, it is working. Kind of. No. That increases that. Maskable doesn't do anything. Gotta get rid of those. Oh my god, am I really gonna have to use a second one? That might be the only option. It's either that or we just increase the dimensions. I don't know. I have no idea. I almost want to just do the duplicate the UI image and just have that as the outline. I'm tired of going through all this. Honestly, it might just be easier too, because I could probably just do animations out of that instead of like connecting a bunch of different things on the main shader. So I mean, I guess I could just do, but then it's gonna have to be for every single one. Which I don't. It might be a performance hit. If that. I think at least in performance-wise, it probably would just be better to just increase the dimensions. That's got to be much more performant than like duplicating all of these UI elements. What the? Actually, hold on. Isn't there a? Isn't there like a GUI? Damn it! I thought there was. There was like a text mesh one. I guess that kind of works. Whatever. Slight tint to it. Oh, and then this would go like in the back. Oh, no. Wait, how would this even be like this? Yeah, it would be like this. Oh my god. I don't like any of these illusions. Now I gotta keep track of all this? No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. That's gonna be a pain. Am I crazy? Why is it not showing up in the... Oh, okay, I guess just the shader itself. That kind of looks alright. I just duplicate that thing. This is... no, it's too much. Now I gotta like keep track of two of these. No. No. Nope, I'm going to increase the dimensions. It's just going to be easier. Well, we got the, at least we got the outfit panel good to go. So, we did some progress. And we figured out the outline shader, even though we need to increase the dimensions, but that's fine. I put like a little animation, little glow animation or something. I don't even know if that's going to work on the UI elements. What's this? Okay. I don't know what that is. And I'm ignoring it. That still works. We don't have anything there. I think we probably need two states here. When we're hovering over it, we slide out halfway. And then when we click, we slide out all the way. Plus the outline that we're going to add in there. Anything for these? Oh, this one's automatic. Good. I wanted that there. Okay, so I added a to-do here, so we can rotate the view on this end. Oh, pagination. I gotta put that in there. Shouldn't be too bad. Are these even juicing? That button's not working. Okay, that's fine. All this is synced. That's good. This is synced here. We go back here. Good. And the tab buttons stay out. Also, we'll need some sort of highlight. And we'll do the same thing. Hover would be like halfway slid out. On click would be like a full slide out. Though honestly, maybe just the highlight would be enough. Very nice. All right, I'm gonna call it there. We did some progress. If anybody's still here, thank you for sticking around. You can catch more progress at Eggneb Games. Actually, I'll just put it here. Do this one. Here we go. Check out Eggneb Games for more progress. We got Paloo Spiral and Project Moonbun. Project Moonbun's the one I'm working on right now. And sometimes we do art streams. So check out our Twitch channel if you want to see some art streams. More exciting than watching programming, but you get the gist of it. And yeah. Alrighty, tomorrow I believe we're gonna do a co-op Ocarina of Time randomizer. So that should be fun. And yeah, we'll probably do another dev stream on Wednesday. Finish up all this stuff here. Though we should have most of it done by the weekend. Alrighty, let's see who we can raid. Let's raid somebody. Let's check out other people's game dev. Let's see. Who do we got? Actually, hold on. Let's see. Is anybody else on here? So we can just look at the category. Oh, here we go. Someone else using Unity. Let's go raid them. All right, everybody. Have a good one. See you around.